Hi guys, welcome to Honestly Talking. Another day in this big apple. So in today's video, I'm going to explore Soho. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to spend your day in Soho. So let's go. Most expensive areas, a lot of ice cream options. Soho. So obviously they don't call it Soho for no reason. Soho is basically south of Houston Street. This is one of the most expensive areas in New York, and for that matter, living here is also equally expensive. So Soho basically has everything from budget stores, luxury stores, chain stores, etc, etc. So right now I am on the Broadway street. So we are going to first off explore this street. So let's go. Exploring the street, I can see that you will find a lot of high-end brands like Boss, then there is Prada, and also you will find some chain stores also, like you can see Zara, H&M, then there is Banana Republic, you'll find Aldo, Uniqlo, you'll find majority mein you'll find chain stores only. Let's go to some of the chain stores here in Soho. Museums of ice cream. This is one of the places that I really want to go to. So basically अंदर क्या है, you will get a lot of ice cream options and you will get to do a lot of activities inside. I really want to go inside. There's an entry ticket for this. I think it starts from $40. This is one of the places that I will surely go till the time I'm here in New York. Guys, there's so many stores here that you can spend your entire day in Soho. This is the first store that I'm visiting here, Abercrombie & Fitch, one of my favorite stores. You don't get to find this brand in India, and it has some really good casual and semi-formal wear. I've got a lot of clothes from this brand since the time I'm here in New York. I skipped going to Uniqlo. Basically, I skipped going to the brands that I find in India. Uniqlo has some great clothing options, but not as per my liking, and since I'm very tall, I don't fit in their lowers. They're too short for me, but their quality of clothes according to their price is just amazing. Now, this is the store by the name of Sundays. This store has a major sale. One thing that I've realized after coming to Soho is that you will find stores where you can buy clothes as cheap as $10. Also, one thing that I'm seeing here is that the place has so many clothing options. I mean, every store has a unique and different design of clothes. Next is a store by the name of Aritzia. The clothes on display looked absolutely as for my liking, so we are going inside now. Guys, this store is a wow. This is a little expensive. I mean, I won't say it is as expensive as the high-end brands, but it's more expensive than Zara, H&M and Uniqlo. But honestly, it has the most basic, formal, casual, semi-formal clothes. I mean, the clothes here are very fashionable and are of really good quality. It's a huge two-floored store. Guys, just look at this cute pink casual summery dress. You'll also find a section here where clothes are on sale. guys, one thing that I've noticed since arriving here is how massive the stores are as compared to other parts of New York. And now on the next discovery. Sorry, but that's just how we girls shop. I think I might need an extra day to explore all the stores here because each one is so tempting to step inside. So the next one here is this really cute pink store I came across with the name of addicted.com. Another really good place for some simple and basic clothing. So far, I'm loving the vibe here, the energy, it's crowded, and everybody seems to be in the perfect shopping mood. The streets are buzzing with excitement, and you can feel the thrill of finding that perfect item. I mean, it feels like the whole place is pulsing with energy and excitement.
Guys, this area is incredibly fashionable, chic, and sophisticated.
The stores at Broadway Street are endless, but now we are going to move from the Broadway Street to the next street in Soho. If you're interested in a full walkthrough of Broadway Street in Soho, I have uploaded a video for you to check it out. I'll make sure to add it at the end of the screen.
Moving from Broadway Street of Soho to Green Street in Soho. Now this street is very different from Broadway. You'll find a lot of high-end brands in this particular street. You'll find Ralph Lauren, you'll find LV, I can see Fendi, Dior, Versace, and there are a lot more. I really want to explore each and every store here. I want to have a look, so let's go. Little did I realize that moving from one street to the other would literally make me see a different league of people altogether. So guys, that's a wrap from the charming streets of Soho, and I'm going to end my video at La Piccola Bianca, one of my favorite places here in New York, and I'm going to have my favorite pasta, that is the rigatoni pasta. So here I'm ending the video. I had a wonderful time in Soho. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you guys in my upcoming New York video. Until then, do like, share and subscribe to my channel.